Hello, this is Rhonda Schaefer and welcome to my YouTube page. Today I'm going to talk about the loud noises that make my head spin. If you have not been here before, be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and don't forget the notification bell so you're notified when I post content for you. If you have seen Anchorman, the movie, then you probably remember Steve Carell playing Brick Tamland, the weatherman for the KVWN news team. This has the implication of something that's relatively common in the internet world. There are a lot of people saying a lot of things. Each marketer claims to have the best and greatest this or that. It can be pretty confusing because it comes from all directions. And did I mention they all want you to believe that you need to listen to them because they're right and everyone else's system is either wrong, dead, or dying. So who's right? How do you know who to listen to? The bottom line is that it is your decision for what is best for you. As a grown man or woman, you have the right to decide what's best for you and your family on how to best spend your time and energy to build your online business. Nobody else. That's the reason I stopped listening to all the big noises. They make my head spin. That's the reason I stopped following the diversions, because they make my head spin. And that's why I started paying attention to my results instead. I continue to test, refine, and test again to get to the created, proven blueprint. I let data tell me what really works. Want to see what that data says? If you do, check out the information below this video to get you started on your road to success. This is Rhonda Schaefer, and I want to thank you for stopping by to hear about the loud noises make my head spin. And remember to like, comment, and subscribe if you've not done so already. Good day.